Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem, so how you can also check if someone has logged into my Instagram. So first thing, you will see a message that someone just tried to log in into your account, and if you confirm, enter from another location to your account. Also, after, if you could try to log into your account, you will see we detect an unusual login attempt or suspicious login attempt. So you just need to choose your email or phone number and just receive code confirmation code from Instagram to your phone number or to your email. So it depends on situation. So after you just enter it, you will be logged into your account. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, like, and goodbye.